Martine, Manuel, and I believe that creativity breeds passion, which leads to meaningful learning. Educators have a lot of expectations and tasks to balance in the precious minutes of the day. As Adobe education leaders, we know how powerful the Adobe Creative Cloud really is. The Adobe mobile apps brings the power of the Creative Cloud to the fingertips of students right on their mobile devices. Because the Adobe Creative Cloud mobile apps makes it simple to create, we can now help educators and students focus on the what of their story instead of the how. We ask our students to design, ideate, and share their learning on a near daily basis. But are we truly empowering them to be agents of their learning? As avid edu-doodlers, edu-game players, and advocates for equity and access, Martine, Manuel, and I believe that story has the power to change paths and trajectories. Join us as we design personal narratives and create images and videos, leveraging apps like Adobe Sketch, Adobe Rush, and Adobe Spark. Discover ways to share and amplify student voice with original and beautiful stories from the comfort and ease of your mobile device.